Hello traders. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up dividend reinvestment or DRIP in existing positions you have in your Charles Schwab trading account. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log in, and I'm logged in, and from the login page, once you're logged in, you will need to click on positions. Once you get into position detail, you'll see this screen here, and I've got a lot of mine cut out just for privacy purposes. You want to hover over this one right here, reinvest, and then you'll scroll down and you will see yes or no by your positions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this no on one of my positions, and we're going to change it to yes. Okay, so this is the screen that comes up next, and I've got a position in 3M, and right now I am not reinvesting dividends. So all I need to do is change this, click yes here, and then click the update button. Just like that. And we'll click update. And that's all there is to it. The change has been recorded, and the next time 3M pays a dividend, rather than getting the cash, I will be buying more 3M stock. That's all I have for today. If you enjoy this content, please hit like, maybe subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.